If Discord is showing error 429, don't worry. This usually means you've hit a rate limit, and in many cases, it can be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple ways to deal with Discord error 429 and get back into the app as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest fix is to wait it out. Discord rate limits are often temporary, and minor ones usually reset on their own within about 15 minutes to an hour. So, if you've been trying to log in, send messages, or refresh too many times in a short period, the best thing you can do is stop retrying for a bit. Give Discord some time, then try again later. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough for the error to disappear. If the problem is still there after waiting, the next thing to try is switching your internet network. For example, if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, turn it off and use mobile data instead. Or if you're on mobile data, switch over to Wi-Fi. This can help because Discord may be limiting your current IP address, and changing networks gives you a different one. Once you switch, reopen Discord and check if the error is gone. Another useful fix is toggling your VPN. If you already use a VPN, turn it off and reconnect Discord. If you're not using one, try turning a VPN on and connecting through a different location. Since a VPN changes the IP address Discord sees, it may help bypass the temporary block that triggered error 429. After changing the VPN state, fully close Discord and open it again so the new connection is applied properly. If none of that works, restart Discord completely. Don't just minimize the app. Make sure it's fully closed. On Windows, open Task Manager and end Discord from the processes list. On Mac, use Activity Monitor and force quit Discord if needed. Then, reopen the app and sign in again. A full restart can clear temporary glitches and force Discord to reconnect cleanly. Now, if you're still seeing error 429 after trying all of these steps, the issue may simply need more time to clear, especially if Discord detected repeated requests from your account or network. In that case, avoid spamming login attempts or refreshing over and over, because that can extend the rate limit. Be patient, wait a little longer, and then try again with a fresh network or restarted app. So to recap, the best ways to fix Discord error 429 are: wait for the rate limit to reset, switch internet networks, toggle your VPN, and restart Discord fully. These steps are simple, fast, and usually enough to get things working again without complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.